Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can restore your streak and grow a gardens trading event. The streak is every 12 hours, so you don't have to worry about that. But for instance, you didn't do the event in that time, you are able to restore your streak in the next, I think, 12 hours as well. So you have like another 12 hours to restore it. However, you do need Robux to restore your streak. So talk to Trader Troy if you still are able to, and then restore my streak. But here you do have to use Robux, and it costs a lot. Well, not really that. I don't know. For me, it is, but you are able to restore your streak in that way. So I suggest you just playing it, and you still have 12 hours to sleep and do other stuff. But if you are too busy, you are able to again restore your streak that way. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.